Hello, sir. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Fantastic. Nice.
You don't mind me watching, right? I like learning this.
Yeah, go ahead. I know you were
You gotta do your YouTube thing.
yeah. I remember you used to like working on cars, so
Yeah. This is great though, man. When I saw that it's in the back seat, I was like, rock on. That is awesome.
yeah.
That's like easy.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot doesn't compare to
But knowing me, like I looked at this, like I really debated. I'm like, do I just do this on my own? Because knowing me, I'm gonna get into some weird stuff.
it always happens like that. It always I'm expecting it to happen to me right now. It's like it always looks easy and then you do it and you're like, "Oh. It's not as easy as I thought." 5 minutes turned into 4 hours.
Yeah, no kidding.
So I would just go in. I'm like, all right, we'll see what we got today.
There she is.
There she is, nice and beautiful. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Normally there's like a red tab in the top.
Yeah.
You lift it up and then you can squeeze it in. But since that tab is gone, we're gonna have to get creative, because that tab would help push it in and unlock it. So those are the problems that you don't expect, right? It's just part of the game. Just looking at it to make sure we can take it out the best way possible without damaging it. We got it. Jeez. Yeah, jeez. That was something that I was not planning for. As we were talking about it.
Like I said, man, it never fails. Like I said,
That was.
that would have been me. I would have been in here screaming my head off.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, and we did it without breaking nothing.
Yeah,
That's crazy. These should just press and take out, but there we go, nice. Okay, nice and slow. There we go. Deal. Okay. Just in case. Seal. Okay. Okay. Got a good amount of fuel in here. Just let it drain. All right, gasket is seated. Deal. Click, click. Right. Move. Tight, tight, tight. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. Before I put those 3 screws on in the cap, I want to make sure nothing's leaking, so I'm gonna start it here. Good deal.
Oh, wow, that's smooth, man.
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't see no leaks back here. Looking smooth.